Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. We're so happy you're here today.
In this video, we will teach you everyday English words that you hear all the time. These are words native speakers use every single day.
They're simple, they're useful, and they help you sound more natural when you speak English.
We will show you real examples. We will use the words in a fun conversation, and you can practice with us.
So make sure you watch until the end. You don't want to miss the practice section.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell. It helps our channel and helps you keep learning.
Ready? Let's start.
Let's start with the word actually. This word is very common. It means in fact or the real situation.
Yes. For example, I am not tired. Actually, I feel great.
Or I thought the movie was boring, but actually it was fun.
Beginners sometimes skip this word, but native speakers use it all the time.
Try saying it at home, learners. Actually.
Nice. Let's use it in a short conversation.
Paul, are you hungry?
Actually, yes, I could eat a big sandwich.
A big one? You always want a big sandwich.
Well, actually, I always want two.
See? Very natural.
The next word is maybe. It means you are not sure. Native speakers say it many times a day.
For example, maybe it will rain. Maybe I will call my friend.
It's very easy but very useful.
Let's try a mini dialogue.
Emily, will you cook dinner tonight?
Maybe, if you wash the dishes.
Maybe not then.
You see? Very simple and common. Next, the word really. This shows strong feeling. It can mean very.
For example, I'm really happy. She is really busy. That pizza is really good.
It's a friendly way to show emotion.
Let's act it out.
How was your weekend?
It was really fun. I went to the lake.
Oh, nice. Was it cold?
Really cold. My toes were like ice.
Poor Paul.
Here's another one. Sure. We use sure to say yes in a friendly way.
Like this. Can you help me? Sure. Can I sit here? Sure.
It sounds natural and kind.
Let's try a short conversation.
Emily, can you pass me the pen?
Sure. Here you go.
Thanks.
See? Easy and friendly. Next is the word right. Native speakers say right to show agreement.
Yes, for example, it's cold today.
Right.
We need more water.
Right. We also use it to check information. You're Tom, right?
Let's show it.
Paul, you love coffee, right?
Right, I drink too much.
Yes, he drinks a lot, believe me.
It keeps me awake during editing.
Next is kind of. This means a little, or in some way.
For example, I'm kind of tired. She's kind of busy today. That movie was kind of strange.
Let's use it.
Emily, do you like spicy food?
Kind of. I like a little spice, not too much.
I like very spicy food,
Yes, I know. You cry every time.
but delicious tears. Haha.
Here's a nice everyday word. Guess.
It means to say something when you are not 100% sure.
For example, I guess it's time to go.
I guess she's at home.
Native speakers use I guess when they want to sound soft and polite.
Let's make a short conversation. Emily, is it going to rain today?
I guess so. The clouds look dark.
Then I guess I need my umbrella.
Next is already. We use already when something is done earlier than expected.
For example, you're here already? You finished already? It's 7 o'clock already.
Let's act it out. Paul, are you ready to film?
Yes, I set up the camera already.
Wow, you're fast today.
I had coffee already. Too much coffee.
Another important word is almost. It means very near, but not finished.
Examples. I'm almost done. It's almost time. I almost forgot.
Let's try a quick scene.
Emily, are you ready?
Almost, I need 10 more seconds.
That's what she always says.
Because it's true.
Next is anyway. We use it to change the topic or return to the main point.
For example, anyway, let's continue. Anyway, I have to go now.
Let's show it.
You talk a lot about food.
Yes, food is life.
Anyway, let's move on. Let's do a longer natural scene using all the words.
Good idea. Here we go.
Emily, are you hungry?
Actually, yes. Maybe we can get pizza.
Pizza? Really?
Sure, why not?
Right. You always want pizza.
Well, I guess I do. I'm kinda hungry.
Okay, but didn't you eat already?
Almost. I ate a small snack.
Anyway, let's get pizza later.
Great, I'm excited already.
Okay, now it's your turn to practice, learners. I will say a sentence, you repeat after me. Ready?
Actually, I feel good.
Maybe later.
That's really nice.
Sure, no problem.
Great! Now I will ask a few short questions. Answer out loud, learners. Don't be shy. Are you hungry?
Do you want to study English today?
Are you tired right now?
Good. Even if you made mistakes, that's okay. You're learning.
Now try to use one new word in each answer. Let's try again.
Are you hungry?
Use actually.
Will you study again tomorrow?
Use maybe.
How do you feel today?
Use really. Excellent.
Great job today. You did so well.
Today you learned many everyday English words. Actually, maybe, really, sure, right, kind of, guess, already, almost, and anyway.
These words help you sound more natural. Native speakers use them all the time.
Try to use one or two of these words today in your real life.
And practice with us in the comments. Write a short sentence using one of these words.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun English lessons.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.